The Motorhead is the newest cordless vac from Dyson, the crazy company that has been reinventing the world's ordinary appliances. From to vacuums to hand dryers, it's also rethinking extraordinary ones. The Motorhead is an update to the DC59 Animal, a very similar cordless vacuum released earlier this year. The Animal boasted a newly designed digital motor and claimed 3 times the suction of any other cordless or handheld vacuum. This may be because most other cordless vacuums suck. It may simply be because the Motorhead's assembly is dead simple. IKEA should make gear so foolproof. By putting the motor directly in the brush bar, we're able to push bristles deeper into carpets for superior performance, while maintaining the versatility of a handheld machine. James Dyson said in a press release announcing the new product. We all see it, that's true. For all its power, the Motorhead is surprisingly light. The box is just 10 pounds, and light enough that I could sling it under one arm as I walk down the street, and these biceps aren't screaming tickets to the gun show. Open the box and you'll find a 2-foot-long pink metal tube, a variety of attachments and suction heads, and the body of the vacuum, about the size, shape and looks of your average Cuisinart food processor. The Motorhead's assembly is dead simple. IKEA should make gear so foolproof. The various heads click into the extension tube, and the tube clicks into the vacuum. That's it. The Motorhead is designed to be hung on a wall when not in use, and the wall mount charging station is equally simple to figure out. It's a good thing the assembly is so easy, because the manual had me scratching my head. It's meant to be simple, so there are almost no words and plenty of pictures. They redumbed down to the point that they counterintuitive. However, and be careful with that powder-coated finish it scratched during assembly. Yikes. Pull the trigger on the handle and the DC59 kicks into action, with a sound more like a very loud fan than your typical vacuum. That's because the head is channeling its energy into maintaining suction, rather than generating noise. Indeed, when I lifted the brush head off my rugs I could feel the vacuum clinging on. Just one more bit of dirt, please. Let